Hello friends, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Stock number is 7121A. Let's give you that virtual video walk around that shows you this Mitsubishi up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. And look at there, a little rack on top to have your luggage or whatever you might want to put up there. The exterior condition, as you can see on the passenger side and rear, is impeccable. And we're going to make our way down the driver's exterior. And we're going to show you the interior here in just a second. Warranty for life, oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. And as you see the interior rear, I find it's absolutely flawless. Ample legroom. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior rear. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the front interior front dash. Just love these Outlander Sports. Of course, it's an all-wheel drive. Great for that Pacific Northwest weather that we have with the rain, and sometimes we get that snow. You can have peace of mind driving with this Outlander Sport. Interior condition also impeccable condition up in the front. Easy access to all your automatic controls within your fingertip. For more information on this Outlander or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.